guys, it's DejaFitBeauty, and today I have another keto Starbucks video for you guys. So if you want to see how I order the keto, I think it's called the keto white tea drink, I think is what it's called, stay tuned. So I'm about to head to Starbucks right now to get this drink. This is a very impromptu video because, as you can see, I don't even have any makeup on. I was like, you know what, I'm about to order this drink. I might as well record it for you guys so you can see how I order it. This is the first time that I'm ordering this drink, so I don't know if it's good or not, but we're gonna find out. So let's head to Starbucks. Real quick, I forgot to mention that I've already launched my clothing line. I don't know why, but I just keep forgetting to mention it in YouTube videos. But I've launched my clothing line. I'm actually wearing a shirt right now. I'm gonna show you. If you see one of my shirts, this is one of my shirts that says keto as fuck. So for all my keto girls, but I do have other stuff. I do have other shirts and stuff, but this is just the shirt that I'm wearing today. So if you want to go ahead and support me, go ahead and click the link in my description to check out my clothing line. Okay, can I get a iced venti white tea? No water. Let me get a little bit of heavy cream in there. Okay. No cane sugar. Okay. And sugar-free vanilla syrup. Right. And then can I get 2 scoops of strawberries in there as well? 2 scoops of strawberries? Yeah. Anything else for you? That's it. Just make sure there's no the simple syrup, cane sugar in there. You got it. And that's it. That'll be $3.73. Thank you. These keto drinks are always so hard to order. I know my Starbucks be getting pissed off and annoyed. Okay, so I had to pull over so I could show you guys the drink. Alright, so this is the drink here, and it looks really pretty. You can see the strawberries in there. Now, I'm pretty sure the strawberries add a little bit more carbs in there. I'm not sure if these strawberries are kept in a sugar syrup. I'm not sure. But I saw someone else that's keto on Instagram try the drink, so I'm assuming that this isn't a sugary syrup, thing, but I would probably check. I probably should have checked, but if you're going to order this, I would check, if you're really worried about, the negligible amount of carbs that are in the strawberries. All right, so now that I have the tea, let's go ahead and see how this tastes. Now, I've never ordered this before. I've had the keto pink drink. I've had another keto drink. I've never had this drink, so hopefully it tastes good. Tastes pretty good. I think it should be a little bit sweeter, so I'm gonna add 1 stevia to it to see how it tastes after that. So I added a little bit more stevia. So in the future, I'll probably get maybe 6 or 7 pumps of sugar-free vanilla because it wasn't that sweet with the 5 pumps. All right, now that's perfect. This is really good, y'all. Now, the strawberry taste is very, very subtle because you don't have strawberry flavor. It's just the actual strawberries. But it does give it a subtle strawberry taste, and you can really taste the tea. But overall, I give this an A+, y'all. This is good. Yo. Oh, that's good. So, that is the keto white tea with strawberries on the top, or whatever, how you want to call it. I don't know what to call this drink. It tastes good. That's all y'all need to know, okay? So, if you want a refreshing keto drink from Starbucks, get this drink here, okay? Don't forget that I do have a Facebook group. I have a fitness motivation Facebook group for anyone out there that wants a little bit more motivation. I post my fitness videos. Other people post fitness videos and fitness tips, and you can ask questions and things like that. So if you're interested in joining it, go ahead and click the link in the bio. Also, check out my merch, you guys. I just launched my own line of t-shirts and hoodies and things like that. So also go ahead and click the link in the bio for that. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys. Gonna drink some more of this, y'all.